Each person's microbiome is unique, and it can be influenced by diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors. The microbiome also affects our mental health. Our mood regulation, for example, is directly related to the gut microbiome. It plays a significant role in the production and regulation of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. So now that we understand the critical role that the gut microbiome plays in mental health, let's discuss some actionable steps you can take to improve your gut health. Hello and welcome back to the Ultimate Human Podcast. I'm human biologist Gary Brecka, and today we're diving into an incredibly fascinating and impactful topic, the microbiome and its influence on mental health. The connection between gut health and mental well-being is rapidly growing in the field of research. And by the end of this episode, you'll understand why optimizing your gut health is essential for improving your mood, cognition, and overall mental well-being. What is the microbiome? The microbiome refers to the trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that inhabit your body, primarily in your gut. These microorganisms play a crucial role in our most important bodily functions, from digestion and immune response to brain health. Remember, the only reason why we eat is to feed our bacteria. Our bacteria are what feeds us. Each person's microbiome is unique, much like a fingerprint, and it can be influenced by diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors. The gut-brain connection, also known as the gut-brain axis, is the bidirectional communication network that links the gut and the brain. This complex system involves multiple pathways, including the nervous system, the immune system, and hormonal signaling. So one of the key players in this communication is the vagus nerve, which transmits signals between the gut and the brain. Research published in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition highlights that the gut microbiome can influence our brain and behavior through the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid. These neurotransmitters are essential for regulating mood, anxiety, and cognitive function. The microbiome also affects our mental health. Our mood regulation, for example, is directly related to the gut microbiome. It plays a significant role in the production and regulation of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. In fact, about 90% of the serotonin produced by the body is produced in the gut. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in the gut microbiome, can lead to reduced serotonin production and an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Our cognitive function is also heavily linked to the gut microbiome. Studies have shown that healthy gut microbiome is linked to better cognitive performance, including memory and learning. For example, research from Stanford University's Longevity Center suggests that gut bacteria can influence brain plasticity and cognitive function through the production of short-chain fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. There's also a stress response. The gut microbiome can modulate the body's response to chronic stress. Chronic stress can alter the composition of our gut microbiome, and this leads to increased intestinal permeability, often referred to as leaky gut. And this allows harmful bacteria from our gut to enter the bloodstream and trigger an inflammatory process. This inflammation affects our brain function and can contribute to mental health disorders. There are several studies that underscore the importance of gut microbiome in mental health. A review article published in Psychiatry Research examined the role of probiotics and prebiotics in treating depression and anxiety. The findings actually suggest that supplementation with specific strains of probiotics, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety by modulating the gut-brain axis. Another very interesting study published in Nature Microbiology found that individuals with more diverse gut microbiomes were less likely to experience symptoms of depression. Ever wonder how elite athletes recover faster and stay energized? It's the science of cold water therapy. Hi, I'm Gary Brecka, and I want to introduce you to Plunge. Plunge helps to soothe your sore muscles, boost your energy levels, and improve mental clarity. It's a powerful way to support your immune function and enhance your mood. Ready to transform your health? Take the plunge. Change your life. Visit plunge.com and shop now. The researchers concluded that a rich and diverse gut microbiome contributes to mental resilience and overall well-being. Several factors influence the composition and health of your gut microbiome. Primarily diet. A diet high in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods promotes a healthy microbiome. Conversely, diets high in sugar, processed foods, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria. Antibiotics is another big one. Antibiotics can kill both harmful and beneficial bacteria in the gut. These lead to dysbiosis, and even medications such as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatories, often called NSAIDs, and proton pump inhibitors called PPIs to reduce stomach acid also affect our gut health in negative ways. Chronic stress is another killer. Chronic stress can negatively impact the gut microbiome by increasing gut permeability and altering the balance of the bacteria in your gut. Exercise is the panacea. Regular physical activity has been shown to promote a healthy gut microbiome by increasing microbial diversity. And remember, sleep is the absolute foundational cornerstone of optimal health. Poor sleep quality and irregular sleep patterns can disrupt the gut and microbiome and negatively impact our mental health. So now that we understand the critical role of the gut microbiome plays in mental health, let's discuss some actionable steps you can take to improve your gut health and consequently your mental well-being. Number 1, adopt a gut-friendly diet. Try to increase your fiber intake. Foods rich in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, these promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. You can also include fermented foods, some of my favorite, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Incorporate these into your diet because these foods contain probiotics that enhance your gut health. Try to limit your processed foods and sugars. Reduce the consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and artificial sweeteners, as these have been known to disrupt the balance of our gut bacteria. Also consider probiotics and prebiotics. Remember, probiotics, these are live beneficial bacteria that can be taken as supplements or found in fermented foods. They help restore and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Prebiotics, on the other hand, these are non-digestible fibers that actually feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Foods like garlic, onion, bananas, asparagus are great sources of prebiotics. Remember to manage stress. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and my favorite, breath work, reduce stress and positively impact our gut health. And we certainly can't forget physical activity. Regular exercise definitely helps to manage stress, and it promotes a healthy gut microbiome. And remember to develop a sleep-friendly environment. Maintain as regular a sleep schedule as possible. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and do your best to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Even creating a sleep-friendly environment, ensuring that your bedroom is cool, it's dark, it's quiet, and avoiding screen time before and in bed. Remember also to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water because this supports digestion and helps maintain healthy gut environments. Limiting antibiotic use is another way to ensure that you have a healthy microbiome. Only take antibiotics when absolutely necessary and follow your doctor's instructions to minimize their impact on your gut microbiome. By now, you should have a deeper understanding of the powerful connection between your gut microbiome and your mental health. The gut-brain axis is a complex, fascinating system that plays a vital role in regulating mood, cognition, overall mental health, and well-being. And by adopting a gut-friendly lifestyle, you can enhance your microbiome, thereby reduce your stress and improve your mental health. Thanks for joining me today on the Ultimate Human Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your friends. And until next time, remember, that's just science.